YouTube, what is good? Welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be talking about why exactly I stopped driving and if I'm going to be done driving forever. But before we get into this video, man, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also drop a comment, and lastly subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Let's get right into it, man. I just want to tell people, the real reason why I stopped, driving. I'm gonna give you like 4 to 5 different reasons why I stopped driving trucks. I'll say the first reason is because content was becoming a distraction. Making content, my phone blowing up, people calling me from, everywhere, old family members calling me, old friends calling me, people texting me, and that stuff becomes a distraction on the road. And when you're driving, you have to be 100% focused on the road. And what I want people to know is that I didn't start making content until over a year and a half after I got my CDL, and over a year and a half after, I got experience driving. I never documented my beginning process. I never documented, CDL school and, my first months over the road, because content and recording and uploading videos and editing videos, that stuff is a distraction. Second reason is because I want to start up a brokerage, and I'm actually in the process of starting up a brokerage, and I know that I won't be able to be an over-the-road driver and build up a brokerage, because building up a brokerage is about to take up pretty much all my focus. I'm literally about to treat this brokerage like I treated trucking. I'm gonna give this all my attention. I'm gonna give this all my focus. I'm gonna invest my money. I'm gonna invest my time. I'm gonna invest all of my efforts. So this is another reason why I stopped driving, because it's like I got to give up something so I can receive something else, in the long run. Third reason why I stopped driving is because I'm in the process of publishing my 4th book. I wrote a book about my journey trucking, how I bought a truck, my social media tactics and strategies and science, and just put all of this into one. It's called The $1 Trillion Route. And this book is probably going to be one of the best books that anybody has ever wrote on the trucking industry. I'm not just saying that because I wrote the book, but I'm also saying that because I wrote the book, and I want to put my energy and focus into getting this book out there and getting it in front of as many people as I possibly can, because I know it's going to change lives. I'm 100% sure that. You can check the description below. It's not available yet, but my plan is to release this book in February. Fourth reason why I decided to stop driving truck is because I wanted to treat trucking like I treated college. For the people that don't know my story, I went to community college first, and then I went to university. I got my BA in psychology. So I study people, I study society, and I really understand the brain. So my first 2 years was spent at a community college, so that's how I looked at trucking. My first 2 years were spent over the road. Then, now I'm transferring to university. The university for me is not driving anymore and learning how to oversee and manage things. So, this is like, I like to relate processes, because once you learn a process, you can just, apply that process to everything. That's really what success is. Successful people, aren't successful by luck. They're successful by nature, and they have a certain way of seeing things, and they have a certain way of doing things. So I'm treating trucking like college, in the sense of my first 2 years, I got my hands dirty. I got in that field. I learned everything I could. I gave back information. I gave back knowledge. And you know what I'm saying? I learned how to, make money without driving a truck, which is a very, very big accomplishment for me, but it's still only the beginning. And the 5th reason, why I stopped driving is just to see what it's like to not drive anymore, and to also expand a business, because to build a business and to expand a business, it's not about working in the business, it's about working on the business. And as long as I work in the business, I can't work on the business. So, those are 5 reasons why I stopped driving trucks. And, I really want people to, understand that first reason. I was really getting distracted, driving, and you cannot be a distracted driver. And that's why I don't encourage people to, make content, while they're driving full time, because it is a full-time job. And then especially when you do grow a following, you have people reaching out to you. I have people calling my phone all day, texting my phone, FaceTiming me. Like, my mind is, here, and I've never been in an accident. you know, I've got one violation. I haven't had any tickets. And, you know, I started to understand, like, okay, if I want to do this, I can't do this, and I got to give something up. And trucking is something that sticks with you forever. So once you have the skill and once you have the knowledge, you can always go back behind that wheel and make some money and you know, just make some money. So if anything happened, if I go broke, if, you know, I start to lose money, if I need to make any money, I understand what I can do. What I can do is get back behind that wheel and get back to my roots. But, you know, in order for me to grow and in order for me to take that next step, I got to make myself uncomfortable. And I've been comfortable driving this truck. This is what I've been doing for the past 2 years. So I've built up a comfortability around this, you know, industry, this career. And now it's time to make myself uncomfortable by taking myself out of the truck and then figuring out a way to survive without having to be behind the wheel. So that's exactly why I stopped driving trucks. And, you know, it's only the beginning, man. And, you know, I just want to say that you can do whatever you put your mind to. You know what I'm saying? If you got a dream, you got a vision, just go and put the action behind it. But that's pretty much the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, smash the like button for me. You know, also drop a comment. And lastly, man, subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. I'll see you on the next one, man.